The first connector available with internal knowledge today is Google Drive. So this saves me hours of searching and sifting through internal documents to get the information that I need. Access and user permissions are set up and respected at the user level, and file access is, as always, controlled by the admin of your Google Drive. So there's two ways to use this today. You can either just ask a question that would require the internal knowledge search, or you can click on the connector button. So I'll drop a prompt in that asks about our internal project. Here I've asked ChatGPT to get me up to speed on a fictitious launch, which we called Project Pixis internally. Now, because internal knowledge pulls in real private company data, we're using dummy information to show you how anyone can really get up to speed on a project. And while we hope this demo gives you an idea of what's possible, we believe the magic moment here really hits when you try this with your own company's data. So you can see we have a quick overview, a goals and value proposition, launch status and timeline. And yeah, in no time, I have a quick, easy summary so I can get up to speed. And what's really great is we have these detailed citations from internal knowledge so I can verify the information as I go. And I can even click into those and verify the contents of a file directly in Google Drive. And I can actually go ahead and take this one step further and build a project update to highlight some of our key considerations based on existing project documents. So I'll go ahead and drop that prompt in here. And just like that, I have a well-cited, comprehensive product update.